Welcome, beautiful one. My name is Anel. I'm a professional telepathic communicator and embodiment coach where I support others to really create intimate relationship with love towards themselves, towards relationship with others and with animals. And today, very important topic. If you planning to move to another place, if you going to experience a big change, for example, a new family member coming, or you going on holiday and you have animals, specifically cats, in terms of changing location, then this video is for you. Why is that? Because very often we say, and again, specifically if we talk about cats, that they don't really like changes, that they don't really feel safe to change location. But what if I tell you that that's not entirely the truth? And I have learned that from communication with animals and their guardians, and from my own example, that when we feel confident, when we feel safe, when we have this 100% yes for the change, and and you know that's what it is, and you feel happy with that, your animal will respond to this energy and will feel similar. It will feel safer. The transition, the change will experience in a much smoother way. And I tell you an example. A while back, I had a cat, and we were changing a place, a house, and it was kind of a natural flow. So it's just something that I had to do. But I wasn't feeling confident. I wasn't feeling safe with this change. I wasn't sure how it's gonna be. So there was lots of stress related to that. And she was a cat that naturally was okay to move around and be with different people. So I kind of assumed that it's not going to be a difficult change for her. But I was mistaken. Why? Because I was going through stress. And she found it hard time to adopt. She experienced quite a bit of stress with that. But at the same time, I could witness a friend, she was also moving more or less at the same time to the same place with two cats. And I literally saw the moment when she brought her cats for the first time. There were two cats, and when they arrived, they just felt home, like they never lived anywhere else. It was just natural change, and they felt really confident and very settled straight away. And I asked her, how do you feel about changing a location? She said, relieved. I know it's for better, and I'm really happy with it. So you see, it wasn't necessarily about the cats, but really how we felt within us. So I want to ask you a question. If you're planning to change place, if you're going for a vacation, or you're going to welcome new little member of a family, how do you feel with that change in you? Do you feel calm? Do you feel at peace? Do you have the inner knowing, or the knowing and confidence that will be easy and smooth, that it's for the best? If not, then it's good to look within yourself and dive deeper and understand where is the fear coming from. And of course, I can support you with that. But it's important to acknowledge that first. So if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'm posting once a week new video with lots of wisdom and knowledge and informations. So I see you again. Lots of love.